Christian Hill. Today I'm with my coach Felice in Singapore. He's right here, just to let you know.
Hello everybody.
We're gonna have durian cake together,
It's not
right?
actually that true that I love durian. Let's be honest, I don't like durian.
Okay, so this is chicken rice. It is a very nice delicacy in Singapore. It's one of the most important. Or maybe for me it's the most important. And Felice and I are gonna eat it for lunch. So let's see how it goes.
Alright, oh, very nice.
I like spicy food.
Okay, so the texture is mainly quite oily. So it gives like a special taste to the rice, and basically it tastes better. But he put spicy sauce in it because I have no idea why. Because he likes spicy.
I like spicy. You know I like spicy. So
Okay, fine.
Don't like spicy. But the taste is good.
I like a bit more oily, so probably, you know, it's a bit too dry for me.
It's very nice. Very nice. Rice and chicken was 8.
8. Okay.
8.
That's pretty good. What do you think?
7.
7.
7 for me because it's like it was a bit too dry for me. Yeah, but for him it was perfectly fine because of the chili and everything. Of course.